In this video, you will learn how to get started on the lace shawl. This sample is knitted in mohair, but for demonstration, we're going to use dream yarn. So the shawl is knitted from top to bottom. And let's see how we do the cast on. We make a slip knot and cast on 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. So you knit 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. And then you slip those stitches back onto the left needle. So 1, 2, and 3 are back on the needle. And we repeat this 3 times. So you knit 3 stitches and then you slip them back onto the left needle. So essentially we're making an I-cord. Sometimes this method is referred to I-cord cast on, and it's a quite common technique to get started on a lot of different shawls. So we're almost there. Okay, so we're done, and we also have knitted 3 stitches, and now we are ready to pick up 3 stitches along the I-cord edge. So let's do that. You insert the needle, yarn over, insert the needle, yarn over. So we're just picking up along the I-cord edge. And we now have 6 stitches on the needles. So 6 stitches, and now we need to pick up 3 more. So we turn the work, now we're facing the wrong side, and we need to pick up 3 stitches along the other edge. So we need to pick them up and knit them. And it honestly doesn't really matter where you pick them up. So we pick up 1, you pick 1 up and you knit it. And we have 2 more to go. So wherever you see like a loop that you can pick it up and knit it. It really will not make much difference at all. We just want to end up with 9 stitches total, that's all. Especially if you're working with mohair, it's so fuzzy. So if you see a loop that you can put on the left needle, pick it up, put it there, and knit. So we have 3 stitches on the right needle and 6 stitches on the left needle. We are going to purl 3 stitches. Purl, purl, purl. And the remaining 3 with yarn in front. So in this case, yarn is already in front. We're going to slip those 3 stitches onto the right needle. And this is something you will be doing throughout this whole pattern. Every row is going to end with slipping 3 stitches with yarn in front. Okay, and we turn the work, and now we're ready to start working row 1. And you can get pattern for this shawl on loopymango.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more video tutorials for you on Loopy Mango YouTube channel.